Tozani bogogo nomkhulu sarikwasendoda lesogogo bathini bathi mawufuna kuvala emzini noma yamadoda. Namhlanje sibuza umbuzo olula ukuthi what kind of a friend are you? What kind? We have such a broken society, relationships, marriages, broken, toxic workplaces because of toxic and unreal friends. Friends that don't want to be told the truth. A friend that will come to you and with a serious story, if I may use that word. And when you decide to be this nasty friend or this fake friend, and you agree with them, even if you see, what, my friend is losing a direction here. The reason we have so much drug addicts, alcoholics, murderers, cheating individuals, unhonest, unwealthy, like Jena, the more we have this chaos that we're having in our society, it's because of people we are hanging around with. And sometimes we are hanging around with good people, but it's because of they are scared of us. Bayasaba abantwana babantu to tell us the truth, because as soon as we are told the truth, Usman Ban is no longer a good friend. Do you know it's sad to receive a call from somebody who will say to you, I'm aware what you are going through, but we are mass akafuna ukutshena. It's very sad to be told by the client ukuthi abangani bakhe, they know ukuthi what he's doing is wrong, but at the same time they are scared of him because they don't want to lose that company. Other people, they are scared of you because of you have money. They are scared of you because of without you there will be no fun. Other people, they're scared of you because of they can see ukuthi that's what you deserve. They are telling you what you want to hear because they don't care about you. What kind of a friend are you?